Are you ready to automate your sales pipeline with Apollo.io? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make your sales process smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable with Apollo.io. Whether you're new to sales automation or looking for ways to optimize your current system, this video has you covered. Stick around because I'll also reveal how you can access Apollo.io for free, plus an exclusive bonus just for watching. Let's dive right in. First, if you're unfamiliar with Apollo.io, it's an all-in-one sales intelligence and automation platform that lets you manage leads, track prospects, and execute outreach campaigns seamlessly. The platform combines data, tools, and workflows in a single dashboard, which makes automating your sales pipeline not just possible, but easy. To get started, you'll want to set up your Apollo.io account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and import your lead lists. You can either upload your own CSV of contacts or use Apollo.io's vast database of B2B leads to find prospects that match your ideal customer profile. Apollo's search filters are robust, allowing you to target leads based on industry, company size, job titles, and more. This is essential for making sure your pipeline is filled with qualified leads. Next, let's talk about automating outreach. Apollo.io offers email sequencing features that are perfect for sending personalized follow-ups to your leads. You can set up a sequence that starts with a warm introduction email, followed by multiple follow-ups to ensure you stay top of mind. The beauty of this is that you can set it up once, and the software takes care of the rest, meaning you don't have to manually send emails every day. The automation includes open and click tracking, so you can analyze how your emails are performing and tweak them to get better results over time. But wait, we're not done yet. One of the most powerful features of Apollo.io is its ability to automate your task management and follow-up workflows. Using its task management system, you can set reminders for specific actions, like following up with leads who opened your email but didn't respond. Apollo.io integrates with your calendar, so you can see everything in one place and never miss an important follow-up again. This will save you tons of time and ensure that no lead slips through the cracks. Now, the real magic of Apollo.io lies in its analytics. With its real-time dashboard, you can track all your sales activities, measure KPIs, and spot trends in your pipeline. Whether it's the effectiveness of your email sequences or the number of qualified leads you've generated, Apollo.io gives you the data you need to make smarter decisions. You can even create custom reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. For those of you who are looking for something more advanced, Apollo.io also integrates with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, so you can seamlessly transfer data between platforms. This allows you to sync all your contacts, leads, and sales data in real time across your entire sales stack. As you get more familiar with the software, you can take full advantage of its other features like data enrichment, real-time alerts, and outreach tools to completely optimize your sales pipeline. So, how do you get started? The good news is that you can use Apollo.io completely free from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value to ramp up your sales automation faster. To sum up, Apollo.io is a must-have tool for anyone looking to automate their sales pipeline effectively. Whether you want to automate outreach, track performance, or sync data across your sales tools, Apollo.io has the features you need to succeed. If you want to access Apollo.io for free and start automating your sales pipeline today, check the link in the description below. Don't forget, the link below also gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial, so make sure to take advantage of that while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.